Good morning, student. My name is Richa Singh. I am from the department CSIT. Today I'm going to represent you about the topic DBMS, that is DDL commands, which full form is Data Definition Language. But before that, we should know about what is exactly DDL in DBMS. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, which includes the commands that are used to define or modify the structure of a database, such as tables, schemas, indexes, or views. Basically, this is the types of command of SQL in which it includes we create, drop, alter, truncate, and rename. These are the five major commands of data definition language, which is used in SQL. You can use any platform for these commands like MySQL, Workbench, Oracle, and these are commands which is used initially to create your table. The screen which I showed you, you can easily able to see the how database is created with the help of create database sample. Sample is here the name of the database, which you can use any name in the place of sample. And also, when you want to show the database which you have created through the create command, you can easily able to use show databases through which you see the result of the all databases in your workbench. This is the picture of MySQL workbench. Here in the left side, you can easily able to see the schema part. Inside the schema, there are many databases has been already made, which you can easily able to see like company DB, employee, sales DB, sample. And inside the sample, we are working like by using use sample command. After that, we go inside the sample database. Here, you can easily able to see the tables which I have already formed. And the student table, this is the name of the table, which is reside inside the sample database. So by using the create command, you can easily able to form your own table. Like the syntax which we used to create this table is create table and then the table name. Here in the black color, this is the variable names, and the blue color is used like for the commands. Like this is the inbuilt commands in the database or in the MySQL workbench. So create table and the table name, that is student open bracket. Then you need to write the column names. Here the column names are roll number, name, marks, city, and the grade. In the roll number, after roll number, what you need to use is the data types. Here the data type is integer and roll number is integer data type, which is we defined as a primary key. Then comma. After that, name, which is also a column name. And after that, that is the varchar is the data type with the size 30, comma, marks, and the varchar, which is also a data type. And in the bracket, we have to define its size, comma, city, which is the column name, and the varchar, which is the data type. And in the bracket, that's its size of the varchar, comma, grade, and varchar 5. And after that, we do not need to require to use any comma because we are going to enter the open bracket, which is we initially used, then the close the bracket and the semicolon to end the statement in our SQL. So by doing this, and then we select this all this from create to semicolon, and we have to run this command through these two. Here, if you click this button, then you have to just drop your, you need to drop your cursor over here. And after creating all this table, you can able to see here the table student. When the table is created, you have to double click this table, and then you are easily able to see this column, this which is roll number and teacher primary key. You can easily able to see the underlined in the column roll number, which is we formed it as our primary key. And when we want to drop the table, then we have to use drop table and the table name, which is the student, which is here we create before. And after written that like this, drop table, then a whole table which we already found that will be removed from the database. But here, just to create the table, we have to write these kind of commands. But if we want to see our table, then we use select asterisk sign, which is denote all from student. Select all from table name, which is our student. That is the table name. So in this way, we can easily able to by this command, this is select command. In this way, we can easily able to see the table which we already formed in the database. That is the sample. And inside the table, that is the student name, which is the table name. So in the next slide, we are able to see the insert commands through which we are going to see our how the data is inserted in the table. So insert into, then in the black color, that is the student, which is the table name. Insert into table name, that is student, open bracket, all the column names. You can easily able to see roll number, name, marks, city, and grade, and bracket close. And we need to write the values because inside the columns, we have to put the values. So this is our the row, like roll number 101, name Alice, marks 89, city, way, grade B. And like this, same in this way, we have to end the our line by just simply columns. And then this is the whole rows which we have to create inside our table, that is the student. By writing all in this way, and after that we have to end the line or end our command, which with the help of semicolon. And if we want to again put some one more line and we forget that, then we have to write in this way, insert into student, roll number, name, mark, city, and the values is 106, Fred 91, and that is Chennai. And if you want to put some other value like is 107, then it's the same way we can easily able to put. So this is the result. And in the result grid, we can easily able to see that whole table which we found, like roll number, that is our column name, marks, city, grade. These are the 5 columns in the table student. And in this way, we have to insert the values in the columns. So 101, name Alice, set 89, that is marks, and city Mumbai, and the grade 8. These are the rows of our table. And through this is the final output of our command in the MySQL workbench. Thank you.